Good morning. So today you guys are going to be doing quiz corrections. The way this works is when you get your test back, you're going to look at your Elluminate sheet and see which questions you got incorrect. Once you find a question you got incorrect, you're going to correct it in this space first. So for example, let's say I look at my Elluminate sheet and I see that I got question number 4 wrong. First I'm going to put the question number up here. Then I'm going to rework the problem in this space so that it's correct. So let's say, for example, the problem I got wrong was 3x plus 4 equals 28. I'm going to redo this problem here correctly by subtracting 4 from both sides. 3x is equal to 24, dividing both sides by 3, and getting x is equal to 8. Okay, but I'm not done yet. Underneath that, I need to write down the reason I got the question wrong the first time. So in this case, I get the question wrong because the first time I did this problem, I added 4 to both sides instead of subtracting 4, and therefore my answer came out incorrect. So on the bottom, I'm going to write down what I did incorrectly. So for example, here I wrote, in the above problem, I originally added 4 to both sides of the equation, but now I know that I have to use the inverse of addition, and that is subtraction. So showing that instead of adding 4 to both sides, I needed to subtract 4 from both sides. So when you do your quiz corrections, you need to do 2 things for each problem. 1, you need to rework the problem so that it's correct up here in this space. And 2, you need to tell me what you did wrong in the first time you solved the problem and what the right steps were. There are a few problems that some of you have that were written responses. So when you are doing that, so for example, if you cited the wrong property in questions 11 through 15, you would just write up here the correct property that you should have used and say why you wrote the incorrect property down below. Make sure you rework all questions that you got incorrect, and then you're going to hand in your quiz corrections with your test. Good luck.